show me. I want the. Oh God! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, that's her eyelids. That's her eyelids.
That's so weird.
Oh my God, Hallie, no! Stop. Say hi.
Oh boy. Hi. Hi, Cam.
Where's Bennett? That's Hallie's hair.
That was too big.
Wait, Cam, have you been buckled? Yeah, he's buckled. He just won't sit back. It's not on your chest. Put it on your, you can't do that. That's not the right one. Oh my God. Nick, you've been buckled into the, oh my God. Oh my God.
No, he buckled. He buckled. He grabbed this one though.
Like, that is not your buckle, Nick. Look at the one he grabbed. The one for the foot. Right here, and then that right there.
Look, mommy put it into your phone. Mommy put it into your stand.
No.
Mommy put it into your stand.
No. Make the ugliest face you can. I have to flip my phone camera around to do this because I have to actually flip my phone around to do this. So if I'm really bad at this, then I'm sorry. But oh my God, Nick, stop. And here's a car montage. We're at. Where are we? Let's go see where we are.
Just getting things on the list.
We're at the car place where we're getting our new car.
What are you all doing? Come on, open the door. Get the help.
Bennett.
You're just standing there.
Bennett.
Not that one. The other one,
What?
baby. What are you doing?
What?
Big baby fish.
Why are your shoes not on?
Baby fish. Baby. Baby. Oh. Let's go.
The faster, the
What are
better.
you doing
Here.
with your phone?
I'm making a video. I've been filming.
Cam, come on, let's go. No, she's tired because I had to wake him up.
Wait, is this our car? Let's check the rims to see. Yeah. Ow! Help! You okay? Bad. Good. Put that down, Nick. Put that back. Harrison. these suckers and get one for ourselves? Okay. We get one, okay, Nick?
Okay. Strawberry's my favorite. Can I one of the bars?
You have one thing. That's it.
This.
I'm getting some for them.
After I'm doing this.
So
You
I'll...
want crackers instead of the sucker?
What?
I'm doing crackers.
Look at these.
Okay, so
You want
this
some of these?
one's mine.
Yeah, I'll
No, give them both.
That's
Pick
it.
one. We'll eat dinner in a little bit.
Well,
We just had a snack.
I'll eat this.
You want cheese crackers? Okay. No, how about not? I don't want cheese. You're not eating that enough.
Why?
Because they're messy.
Well, I can eat them in here.
Let's stand right out here. Right?
Okay.
Lily, just stand right out here with them.
What, outside? Okay. Come on, Nick. Come on. Oh no.
You made me jump
Nick, Nick.
What?
You can eat it. You can still eat it. You can still eat it.
I know that.
Let's go. Oh my god! Who is playing Shrek? Let's go. Come here, Nick. Here.
Is this dirty?
Yep. That's your Okay. Oh yeah. Look how cool this thing is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
We do.
Okay. But she's usually off at 5.
Okay.
Sometimes 6.
Bye bye.